Hi everyone. Here I want to cover two easy to grow leaf vegetables for beginners, the harvest of spinach and tour of fenugreek. Look at this beautiful spinach. I'm going to harvest this to cook for lunch today. Some of this is going bolt. Don't hesitate to cut a lot because these are not going to die, but cut and come again vegetables. So feel free to harvest all the healthy leaves to eat and water them thoroughly to make them grow again. It's a lot. This is fenugreek again. Regardless of the ground type, whether it is a native ground soil, sandy soil, potting mix like I used on this bed, fenugreek is a real easy to grow vegetable, leaf vegetable, and it's very healthy, easy to grow. I think this is the very first vegetable everyone should try. I'm gonna harvest this sometime this week. Look how beautiful it is. And in any season, so this grows well in any season, summer, winter, no matter what weather it looks like. It will germinate in a week and grow very healthy. All it needs is some ground and then water. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.